Hello friends, welcome back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your QR code generator website. Let's suppose if you want to create a SEO tool for your website, and the tool name is QR code generator. It's a PHP script and I will show you how you can install in your website using cPanel. So first of all, let me show you the website overview. Here I installed in a subdirectory. So as you can see, here is the website homepage overview. It's a QR code generator website. So you have multiple QR code generation options here. First of all, what you need to do is just scroll down and you will see all the functions here. Okay, so it's the plans. Here you can add your plans and PayPal account or other Stripe account for charging. Here you can sign up and that's it. So for creating QR codes, just click on generate QR code and you will see a lot of options of QR code. Just click on URL and paste your URL here. You will see that QR code is changed. You can use dynamic QR code also. Just change the colors and branding. Here you can add your company logo in the middle of your QR code. And the next step is that you can resize your logo also, and after clicking this download button you will see the download multiple options. Once you click on download, it will download your QR code. Okay, so that's done. For now I'm going to show you how you can install this QR code on your website. Here is the PHP script, and here you can see the price of PHP script is 35, and you will see all the functions here. This is Code Canyon website. As you can see, I have this QR code PHP script zip file here. Just need to do is go to your cPanel first. Here is my cPanel, and in my case I'm going to create a subdomain. If you want to install this in your main domain, no problem. So for this I'm going to subdomains, but I'm going to create a subdomain QRCODE.Sharjeel.com. Okay, the subdomain is created here. Okay, the subdomain is created. Go back. And now what we need to do is install the PHP script on file manager and domain directory. So here is my file manager. I'm going to check the domain. Here is, where is it? Okay, QRCODE.Sharjeel.com. Just delete everything from the domain and click on upload and upload your file here. Okay, drag and drop it, and it will take some time to upload. Just skip this part. So here it's uploaded. Go back to your file manager and click on reload. As you can see, we have QR code zip here. Okay, extract this file. It's done. Okay, delete this one and go here. Okay, select all. Now move it to the main domain. As you can see, it's moved in our main domain. Okay, just going to delete this product folder also because it's empty. Okay, done. So what is the next step here? Just need to copy this subdomain link and paste it on your browser. Okay, as you can see, the connection is failed. Need to configure it. Okay, no problem. Just add a slash here and write index. Okay, sorry, install, and the installation widget appears here. Okay, start the installation. Click on next, Okay, here we are going to add our database. Okay, no problem. First of all, we need to write here localhost. It's already written here. Now what is the next? We are going to create a database and connect here. Okay, go back to your main panel, click on database. Okay, where is it? Just going to search it. Database, MySQL databases. Add a new database here. I'm going to add QRCODE and create a database. Done. Go back, and here you can see your database is created. Just swipe down and add a username here. Just going to add the same username. Okay, here we need to create a password. As you can see, you can generate a submit password here and note it in your sticky notepad. So where is it? It's here. I'm going to paste the password here and click on use this password. Okay, create as user also. So the user is created successfully, and what is the next step? We are going to add this user to the database. Add user to database. Click on the username here and the database. Click on add. Select all privileges, and we have the user and database name here. Just click on here and copy paste it at the notepad. Make changes. Okay, it's done. So what is the next step? We are going to add this here. Add the name, write database name. Our database name is same as our username. Add a username here. Paste the password here also, and add your email, your full name. That's it. Finish the installation. Okay, so here is the license key. I'm going to add my one. Okay, the database is created. Save it, and you have a QR code website created. Click on it. As you can see, you have the website created with PHP script and it's installed. If you want to access the admin panel, just click on sign in, and at the default we have admin sign in. Just write admin. Okay, remember me. You can change this when you want. Okay, so go back. Okay, here is we have the dashboard of our admin panel. You can create anything here, generate codes and whatever you want. You can add custom domains here. Nothing is more important here, just our website is created is the main thing. So hope you guys will like my video. If you want to download this, the link is in the description. I will also add the license code for you, but remember it's a one-time license fee. You can purchase the other license if you want to use in other websites. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, click on like and subscribe my channel for this type of other videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.